You ever wake up in the morning, check the news, and just go, what the f? Air quality plummets. For the second time in recent weeks, several states are currently under air quality alerts due to smoke drifting south from Canadian wildfires. The alerts have prompted closures and calls to stay indoors. The states currently affected are Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Delaware, and Maryland. All of this is stemming from what Canadian officials are calling the worst fire season on record. At the time of recording this video, more than 200 wildfires are burning out of control. If things continue as they are, we can expect additional alerts throughout the summer. If any of you are currently being affected by these alerts, I would love to hear from you in the comments.